I've done the first two steps, and now we're on the more than 100 a day step, which, as you probably have noticed, you're going to have to take a log once you get to there. So review the work that I've done so far, and then let's do that. Okay, let's move on. More than 100 a day means that I need to set that 100 equal to that first equation that I found, which is how much I'm making per day. I cannot combine these two numbers at all. Absolutely not. That would be ridiculous and completely wrong and foolish. If you don't see why, just pretend that it was this number times this number to like the 8th power. And often you guys are tempted to do this kind of a thing. 3 times 6, 6 to the 8th. But as you can see, 3 times 2 to the 8th is not the same as 6 to the 8th, so don't do that mistake. Instead, the only way to simplify it so far is by getting rid of this 0.01. So we'll divide both sides by that 0.01. Calculate that, and then we'll move on. So I'm left with 10,000 equals 2 to the n minus 1 power. There's no way that I can cancel this 2. E doesn't do that. 10 doesn't do it. The only thing I can really do is take the log of both sides. And you'll see why in just a moment. I can't do it to just this side. I have to do it to both sides. Because I've taken the log of both sides, it allows me to do this thing, that rule that we use, where we get to piss in front of the log. I write it like that, and then immediately I need to simplify because I'm isolating for n. The only thing that I can do at all, the only thing at all, is to divide both sides by the natural log of 2. I simply rewrote it again now that I divided by natural log of 2. I want you to remember that the natural log of 10,000 divided by the natural log of 2 is the only way you can type this in your calculator. This is not the same thing as this or this. Both of those are incorrect and don't mean the same thing. So literally what you'll do is type in just exactly that, and then to isolate for n, of course, we'll add 1 to both sides. And that's how you know the first day that you'll be making $100 a day or more.